Downloaded an app on your iPhone, but it's nowhere on your home screen. Don't worry. You didn't lose it. There is one hidden setting causing this, and I'll fix it in seconds. Let me show you. Go to Settings. Scroll down, tap Home Screen and App Library. Now look at the top, newly downloaded apps. You'll see two options here. If it's set to App Library only, that's your problem. This means every app you download goes straight to the App Library and never shows up on your home screen. That's why you cannot find it. So here is the fix. Just switch it to Add to Home Screen and that's it. From now on, every app you download will automatically appear on your home screen and in the app library. But one important thing, apps you already downloaded before changing this setting will not appear on your home screen automatically. You'll need to add those manually from the app library. So yeah, quick setting, but it saves a lot of confusion. If this helped you, like the video, follow for more iPhone tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one.